Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel. So the AI which we use mostly today is called traditional AI. It's all around us, like the chatbot that answer our questions or robots that build products, right? And traditional AI had made many jobs faster and easier. But there is something which is missing in these systems. Let's take a closer look at few examples to understand what is missing in traditional AI systems. So first example is, suppose you have a spam email filter that sorts all the incoming emails into spam or inbox folder. Okay. So in traditional AI systems, we always write program. For every task, we write program or we use some algorithm for that specific task. And let's say for this spam classification filter, we designed a program to classify emails as spam or valid or real, right? So the filter works by scanning the content of each email for keywords, patterns, or some certain characteristics, like if there is a suspicious link. Okay. So based on this, the email is classified as spam or valid. But here's the problem. What happens if a new type of spam email occurs? One that does not match the following pattern or use the same keywords, right? So here in this scenario, our spam filter, which we have developed using traditional AI, might fail to detect it. So this is what missing in traditional AI systems. The ability to adapt and to recognize new unknown scenarios on their own. So this is what is missing in traditional AI system. Now, what do we do in this situation? So unfortunately, traditional AI has no answers unless we manually update it. Means you have to update the spam classifier for this particular scenario, and then in future it can detect. But without manual intervention, your model cannot, handle the unknown scenarios. Now let's look at another example. A customer support chatbot which is designed to respond to frequently asked questions or basic customer service queries. So traditional AI chatbots, again, we trained it because this is a traditional AI chatbot. So for specific task, we trained the model. So we have a chatbot which is programmed with a set of rules for answering specific questions like what are your business hours or how do I return an item, right? Now, what happens if a customer asks a question which is outside of these predefined rules? For example, customer asked, can you recommend a product for me? Or how do I fix this unique issue I'm having? So in these scenarios, in this case, the chatbot can't handle this kind of query. This is complex and out of the box query for our chatbot, for traditional AI chatbot, right? So it will either provide a generic answer or it will direct the customer to the human agent. So this is what it can do. Or other thing is, you can manually train the chatbot for this kind of query, and then in future conversations it can handle this kind of question. But every time when something new will come, a new unknown scenario will come, your chatbot or your traditional AI system can't handle it. So this is the limitation of traditional AI. It cannot adapt to new situation or learn from interactions without human input. So in short, we can say that traditional AI systems are very helpful, but they have a limit. They can't adjust to new or unexpected situations. Every time they face something they haven't been trained for, they need to be updated by a person. Now we have learned how traditional AI is limited by its rule and programming. Now let's take a look at agentic AI.